welcome back to D Naturel. Welcome back, everybody. So I know I have not been active, but I've been pretty busy, and yeah, so this video will be a pretty quick video. I decided to finally purchase Mielle Organics. You guys can see it. People had already been asking me what I thought of this brand, but I had never used Mielle, so I didn't have any opinions. So hopefully after this unboxing and after I begin using their products, I'll have my own opinions, okay? So I purchased their rice water line. It's their newest line. And I was pretty interested because I have been using rice water in my wash day, and it has been working very, very well for me. So I wanted to just try the rice water line to see how it would work with my hair. And guys, I know like I have products in my hair right now because I detangled and I moisturized and I did a whole bunch of other things to my hair. So my hair is pretty wet and it's in a shrinkage form. So sorry about the little white flakes that you guys see. It's just my natural hair products. So yeah, so I'll just get right into it. It's a Black-owned natural hair company. It is owned by, I believe, Monique Rodriguez. Yeah, I think Monique Rodriguez. I hope I'm saying her name right. It came out 6 years ago in 2014, and yeah, it's a pretty strong brand. It's really popular. Although I have heard both good and bad reviews of Mielle, I think it's pretty popular in the natural hair community, so that's pretty good. And yeah, so I am going to go ahead and open this box. Before I do, I want to just give my just a quick summary of my experience with purchasing their products and the shipping and everything. So with the shipping, it actually was pretty fast. So I had the bad reviews that I heard of Mielle was that they took forever to ship. I went ahead and purchased it anyway, so I was assuming that it was gonna take like 10 to 15 days to get to my get to my place. But it actually took 5 days. By the 5th day, I had already received my product, so I don't know how long the process it took, but it was really fast. So I would give them, in my personal experience, I'll give them a 9 out of 10 with the shipping because it came much faster than I expected it to come. I was expecting like 10 days minimum, 15 days max, I guess, but it came in 5 days, so that was pretty good. So let's talk about pricing. So I purchased the whole line because I wanted to really try their rice water line and just give the best feedback I can, the most, honest, brutal honesty, whatever, and really just have my personal experience with Mielle and just really got to experience their brand. And I was pretty excited because it was rice water, and rice water is pretty popular now for natural hair care and other things. So I wanted to just try it. The pricing, it was on the pricier side. So the total for this entire box, the total for everything in this box right here, totaled to about $75. But then I had like discount codes, which I definitely used because I was trying to save me some money. I used discount codes, and then it came to around $50. So it's on the pricier side. I am currently using Maui Moisture. And Maui Moisture, I literally purchased their entire line for under $30. So from 30 compared to 70, and then I guess 50 with discount. I mean, it's definitely a huge difference. So let's rate the packaging. So the packaging, it's a pink box. It's pretty cute. The owner, yeah. This is the owner on the box. And it's like all pink inside, and it has like all these like fluffy stuff in there. Let me get this closer to the camera so y'all can see it. So this is it. This is how it looks like. It looks really, really nice in there. But I have a feeling that the products are gonna be tiny. So let's see if I'm right, because I got a lot of stuff and I got this tiny box. So like I said, I purchased their entire line. So it was a total of 6 products. I'll show you how all of them look like. The first one that was actually not in the rice water line, but I still purchased, was the rosemary mint and mint oil. Rosemary mint oil, that's what I purchased, and this is the size. It's not the biggest, but I mean, I'm assuming once I read the ingredients, we'll know how good quality this is, but this is the size. And then the next thing that I got was the rice water split end therapy. Rice water split end therapy. That's the next thing that I got. And this is the size of it. And then I got the rice water moisturizing milk, which is this size. And then I got the rice water shine mist. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's how it looks like. And then I purchased the rice water hydrating shampoo. And then I got the rice water clay mask. So that's the last thing that I got. In terms of the quantity, I would give this a 7 because it's not a lot. It's not a lot of the product in these tiny bottles, because I actually thought I was gonna receive a bigger box. This is the box that I received from them. It's not the biggest, quite honestly, and I'm not like complaining about the amount that's in there, because again, quality over quantity. But when this is like just to cater to, if you're natural and you're on a budget, the quantity would also matter to you, because you don't want to buy something that's really expensive and it's not a lot and you just use it once and it's all gone. You know, you want to buy something that you can use for a while if you are on a budget. But if you're not, the quantity does not matter. So honestly, I don't really mind these being tiny. It doesn't have a lot of product in it. It doesn't have a lot of product in it. So I'll definitely say 7 out of 10 with the quantity, the amount of product that's in there. Because compared to, let me just compare two of them right now. So this is your, I'm assuming this is like your moisturizer, the rice water moisturizer, and this is the size of it, and this was $10. And let me show you Mielle moisturizer that I got for $5 that I'm pretty sure has comparable ingredients and comparable quality. So this is the Mielle moisturizer that I got for $5 on Amazon. This is the Mielle Organics moisturizer that I got for $10. So you can definitely see the difference between these two. So this has a whole lot more than this, and I can definitely read like the ounces so you guys can know how much is in there too. This is 12 ounces, this is 8 ounces. So 8 for 10, 12 for 5. So if you are on a budget and you are a natural hair girl on a budget or a natural hair guy on a budget, Mielle might not be the most budget friendly product out there. That's all I have to say. So that's why I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm giving it a 7, which is still pretty high, but not a 10, because they could do a little bit more. They could add some more stuff in there, but it's fine. I'm assuming the quality will make up for the quantity. That's my expectation. So now I'm gonna rate the quality, which should matter to you regardless of if you're in a budget or not. You don't want to buy something that's gonna make you have a setback in your natural hair journey. And personally, with me too, I'm pretty picky with what I put on my hair. I don't just put anything on my hair because I don't want something that will just make me have like split ends and get dry hair in the end. So quality should always matter regardless of if you are on a budget or not. So let's start with the moisturizer. So I'm gonna read the first 5 ingredients. That's usually how I pick my products. The first 5 ingredients are gonna be the most abundant in the product, and if you have any like bad ingredients in the first 5, that's like a red flag for you to not really use that product. So they have water as number 1, coconut oil is number 2, sorbitol is number 3, isopropyl whatever, I can't read it, but I know what it is. And then the 5th one is another alcohol. That's like a fatty alcohol. So these are actually really, really good. So yeah, I can definitely see why they're gonna give you a little bit of this. You know, I can see why the quantity is not that much, because the quality, I would say the quality for this particular thing right here would be a nice 9.5 out of 10, because it has water. Water is a moisturizer. This is a moisturizer. You want water in your moisturizers. And then it has coconut oil, which works as an emollient, so that helps soften your hair. Another alcohol that's also gonna soften your hair. So all of these are really, really good for you, good for your hair, and I can definitely see why they're using the quantity is not that much, because I definitely think that the quality of this should be good. Again, I haven't used any of these products, but from what I'm seeing in the ingredients list, I'm gonna assume that it's safe to say that these products are pretty good. Okay, I'll pick the rosemary mint hair oil. The first one is soybean oil. Second is castor seed oil. Third is rosemary oil. Fourth is jojoba. And then the fifth is peppermint oil. So I'm actually a bit, confused because it says rosemary mint, and then the first two are not rosemary or mint. The third one is rosemary, and then the fifth one is peppermint, meaning that it does not actually have too much of the rosemary in there as opposed to as compared to the other things. These are all pretty good, but looking at this, comparing this to this, and putting together the rates now, I'm gonna bring down the rates a bit. I said 9.5, I think. I said a 9.5 out of 10. I'm gonna bring it to a 9 because with this, it says it's rosemary mint scalp treatment, and the first two ingredients are not, they're not rosemary or mint. The third one is rosemary, and then the fifth one is mint. So again, I'm pretty picky. These might be a little bit harsh for you if you're the type of person that does not really care, but I just care about these stuff. So that's just my personal rating, and I'm not saying I don't like these products. I'm still pretty excited I purchased Mielle, and I'm pretty happy to be supporting a Black-owned business, So and my expectations is that this product, I'm not saying that it's gonna grow my hair 10 inches, but I have kind of high expectations, looking at the ingredients and then also looking at everything. Did I rate the packaging? If I didn't rate the packaging, I would say it's a 9. It's 9 out of 10. I think it's really cute. It definitely stands out because I haven't seen any other brand do this. Maybe other brands do. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I like Mielle's packaging a lot. I definitely like it. The only downside I would say about Mielle is that for the price, they could add a little bit more products in there, but then also the quality is also on the high side. It's pretty good quality. You're not going to be expecting to use really bad stuff. Speaking of quality, let me check out the shampoo and also see what ingredients are in there. So the shampoo has water as the first ingredient, and then sulfate is the second ingredient, and then other chemicals after that. Yeah. So so this is a sulfate shampoo. So just an FYI for anybody out there that's purchasing this, it's a sulfate shampoo. Sulfate is not terrible for your hair, but when overused can be terrible for your hair. Overall, I'm pretty impressed by everything that Mielle has. I'm gonna be purchasing more of their products now. If it turns out really well for me, I plan on doing tutorials coming up. I'm excited to try all these different, hairstyles and different things that I do with my hair, and to show you how I treat my hair behind closed doors. So I'll be doing these tutorials. I'll be trying them with Mielle products too, to see how well they work for my hair texture. I like the way everything looks like. The only downside again is the quantity, so it's not budget friendly. I don't think Mielle is budget friendly. If you have money, go for it. If you are on a budget, you might want to look at other brands instead, because it's not the most budget friendly natural hair brand out there. But that's it, guys. I hope this helped you. I hope this gave you a really good gauge on this rice water line before you purchase the line. Check out, seeing this video. I'm hoping this video gives you a really good gauge. And then, yeah, with everything from the shipping to the packaging to the expectations and what's in the product, I'll see you in my next video. And I will be uploading regularly now because I am not as busy as I used to be. And I kind of did take a break because I have some own personal things to take care of too. So I'm back and I'll be posting regularly. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!